In this video, I will show you how to get the metal smelter in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So as you play through the game and progress, certain items are going to become available to you. One of these is actually the metal smelter. So once this becomes available, you can actually build this from your build menu. So you just want to open this up and basically you're going to see the metal smelter in here. You want to make sure you're on the utility section and basically you can see the metal smelter here. In order to build this, you need 15 bright coal, 3 blast coal and 35 obsidian slabs. Now these can actually all be obtained from going into caves and mining in caves with the pickaxe, but once you've unlocked it, you can come into your build menu once you've got the required resources and just go ahead and build from your build menu. So that is how to go ahead and get the metal smelter in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.